So I was at VMware Explore 2022. One key message from this show was that VMware is continuing its evolution to being a multi-cloud solution infrastructure company. In this multi-cloud world, buyers now face more choices than ever before. Getting the facts, knowing the truth, is more important than ever. And that excited me for PT because it continues to show that PT has a vital role to play, and that's where finding the right facts can really help. One of the success stories is McLaren. They run an incredibly data-intensive operation. When you think about a car racing, you think about the driver, you think about the mechanics. What they made the point to say is that that car is streaming back enormous amounts of data. And then they have to process that and try and analyze it and turn it into actionable changes to the vehicles or to the way the driver runs it. Another aspect of the show that didn't get as much coverage because there was such a big focus on the multi-cloud was managing clients. In this multi-cloud world, VMware wants you to be able to manage the clients that are accessing the computing resources, whether they be in the cloud or on premises. And so the VMware Workspace ONE was one of the technologies they talked about, and PT actually, just before the show, had a report come out on that topic. Client technologies were also a part of this. PT's ability to actually go hands-on with technology, prove its strengths and weaknesses. By having PT do the work, the vendors can help save their buyers the cost of those expensive proof of concept trials and get much of the value and learn the facts and see what offerings are best for them.